scraping and SERP scraping without SERP API, Perplexity, Crawl for AI, and any expensive tool. It's actually really, really cool because you don't need to know how to code. There's content format, leave it on default. And then you can use exclude selector and you can use header and footer. This will save you some tokens. And then I wouldn't really bother with any of the others. Once you've done your settings, press copy here. So you can add a note. We can do HTTP request and then import curl like that and then paste it and then import it and then you're done. Delete this and you can put this as an input. So let me just wire this up so I can show you what that looks like. And you can see they've appeared here. So you can drag any URL here. And now this is a variable GINA scraping URL. So when I press test step, there we go. There's the result. So you can see there's the entire sitemap. We can change the content format to text. So let's just press copy again on the curl request and then paste this, import. So now you can see we've got a list of URLs. If you fed this to, for example, an information extractor. So we'll add another node here and we'll just say extract and list any URLs that are relevant to keyword. So now what this should do is it should take an input of the keyword or of the sitemap, scrape the sitemap, and then extract any relevant URLs to the keyword. As you can see now we've got relevant URLs here. We need to improve the prompting a little bit. There's only a few URLs here, but just as a very basic way of scraping any web page. So you change this to whatever you're trying to scrape. So let's say you're trying to scrape images. You change this to relevant images or just images. You want to scrape links, you do the same thing. You want to scrape sentiment, you add sentiment here. You want to scrape that, this, that, and the other. So I'm just using a sitemap as an example, but you can literally scrape anything and then put any schema here to decide what to extract from that web page.